This is Alex, a farmer who owns a Kubota round baler and a Kubota tractor, both equipped with Tractor Implement Management System, TIM, which allows the baler to control the tractor in order to provide the best results. Alex knows that if he wants to use his round baler in the most efficient way, he will have to go through a high number of stops and repetitive actions over the day. Furthermore, he needs to constantly monitor all the steps of the baling cycle. The first thing is to ensure the crop is fed regularly over the whole width of the bale chamber, requiring him to keep an eye on the baler intake while steering the tractor from left to right. This will maximize the work done by producing a good-shaped bale at best density. After Alex has formed his first bale, the baler will alert him that the chamber is full. At this stage, Alex will have to discontinue the tractor going forwards to stop the crop and let the binding start. While the net is fed through automatically and binding is taking place, Alex is just waiting for the next information. This happens in about 7 seconds, and then he is required to open the tailgate to release the finished bale. After another few seconds, the bale is out and away. Alex receives the signal to close the tailgate. Doing so, he will place the baler back to its reset stage, ready for the next bale. Then Alex still has to re-engage the tractor moving forward and continue the baling process. This sequence has to be repeated about 500 times a day. Alex realizes that the baler is constantly telling him what actions to take, which makes baling a tiring and heavy job. But Alex is a smart farmer who has chosen to work with smart machines. He can start baling without worrying and being much more relaxed, because his baler will communicate with the tractor, and as any actions are needed, the baler will ask the tractor to act instead of the driver. Then Alex can drive in comfort and focus fully on the chamber filling. Pausing the crop intake process, tailgate opening and closing, and bale ejection control will all be operated without Alex having to make any input. And he can feel safe as well, because in case a slope is detected, the system will hold the bale ejection, avoiding risk of the bale rolling down the hill. After checking around him to see all is fine, Alex will only have to press a button to restart the tractor forward movement to start the next bale forming. Alex can also do the job even better, reducing his environmental footprint and his operational costs. But this would demand him to take care of the PTO speed of the tractor to optimize each step of the cycle, adding even more repetitive actions. Fortunately, his TIM baler will monitor the tractor PTO speed automatically in order to keep the best results by reducing fuel consumption and machine wear. Another thing that Alex doesn't need to worry about during baling. In the end, Alex can just relax and drive his favorite tractor and baler, because everything will be adjusted automatically, so he doesn't need to worry about endless, repetitive, boring tasks. Less stress and lower fatigue ensure him safe operations without compromising on the best output and with minimal operating costs over long working days.